Hi, in this video, we will discuss how to integrate Flutter application with Google Maps. We will use the Google Maps plugin to add a map to our Flutter application. To get started, we need to create a new Flutter project. This can be done by running the following command, which is flutter create my app. This command will create a new Flutter project named as my app. Next, we need to add the Google Maps plugin to our project. This plugin will allow us to add a map to our Flutter application. To add the Google Maps plugin, we need to open the pubsec.yaml file in the root directory of our Flutter project. This file will contain the information about a project such as its name, version, and dependencies. Once we have added the Google Maps plugin to our Flutter project, we need to run the Flutter packages get command to install the plugin. This command will download and install the plugin from the Dart repository. Let's move over to Android Studio to see all this in action.
So I've already created the basic app using the Flutter create command, which we already discussed. Now we need to add the dependency to our pubsec.yaml file. So we can see that we have already one dependency which is called Flutter lens. Let's add the Google Maps dependency. Now we have already added the Google Maps Flutter dependency. Now we need to run the Flutter pubget. I can click on this button which will already run this command. So we can see that the process has finished with an exit code of 0, which means that it got successful. Now we need to head over to this android.manifest file. We need to add our API key so that the Google Maps API can be shown in our project. For this, we need to add the Android value to it. And here we can add our API key. Similarly, for iOS also, we need to add our API key to this app.delegate.swift file. The following line of code will add the API key for our iOS applications. Once we have added our API key and once we have specified the Flutter Google Maps version in our pubsec.yaml file, we can head over to our main.dart file. So let's import the Google Maps. First, we need to add an initial camera position. We need to set the latitude and longitude. The target here specifies the latitude and longitude here. So let's specify that lat long. So let's say 20 and 20 for an example. Next, we can also add a zoom parameter that will add the zoom to our image here. So we have added the Google map here. So we can use the const keyword so that we can remove this error, or this is more like a warning here. So we can remove the const from here. In this way, we can add a Google Maps to our Flutter application.